Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand washing machine and it's giving you an FE error code and you're wondering what this error is and how to get rid of it. So a couple things. The FE error code is the FE standing for filling error. So basically it means that there's too much water going into the washing machine, which means you have a problem most likely with your inlet valve. The first thing you need to do if you get this error to avoid, because you're not going to be able to deal with it, and even you can end up flooding your house or whatever if something is really going wrong, because it's unable to control the water going in, is just come in behind to the water, to the actual valve where the water, your washing machine hooks up to your water, and you need to turn this all the way to the right, turn it all the way clockwise, close it, basically turn the water off to your washing machine. That will avoid any flooding or anything like that. And then you'll probably have water inside your washing machine. And one thing you can do to get it out, you can get it out manually down at the drain pump. But another thing that you can do is you can put it into a, if you just put it into a spin cycle only, it will not take on water. It'll work with the water off. It'll spin and then drain whatever water's in there. And since you've already got the water off, then you won't have an issue with more water getting in. Now, you can try cleaning the intake valves. Actually fixing this issue is most likely going to need to be taken care of by a professional, because you might need to replace the valves or something like that. But anyway, that's what the error is. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.